Grooming means how you are dressing yourself and how you are presenting yourself before others. It involves looking neat and clean and also feel confident about yourself. And it makes a good impression of ourselves on the others, including customers or whomsoever you deal. So that means grooming means overall well presentation of yourself uh, with reference to the job role. uh, you have to follow the guidelines of a particular job role, like we can see doctors wear their specific uniform while just seeing to the patient, and that dress code should be neat and clean, confident, and that it should give good impression, or any of the firm where you are working. Guidelines for dressing and grooming, that means what are the things which you can do for making yourself to look presentable, nice, and give a positive impression to the customers or the people with whom you are dealing. Here are a few points which are mentioned there, like wear neat, clean, and iron clothes. It should not have wrinkles, it should be looking very nice. Dresses, keep shoes clean and polished. Your shoes should be clean and polished. Change socks every day and always wear clean socks. Your socks should be changed every day. Keep accessories like bells, jewelry, etc. simple, not flashy. That means, suppose if you are a professional, at that time it should be extremely simple, not extremely shiny or heavy. No, it should be avoided. Avoid showing bad body tattoos and piercings. If you have body tattoos and piercing, then that should be avoided during the professional role, as it might seem that it's not professional, or people will not take you seriously, so it should be avoided when you are among your customer or publicly dealing with a group of people. Here your hair should be combed neatly, well organized. Hair should be washed properly to keep it clean. We should take haircut on the regular time interval. Wear simple hairstyles. When you are going for the professional job role, at that time you cannot do those hairstyles which we see in the various party or the functional functions we generally see people do. So that should be avoided. Face. Wash face at regular interval and wipe to keep it non-oily. If you have oily face or your face gets dirty, then it should be done. If it's normal and it maintains throughout the day, then it's okay. You should brush your teeth regularly and just check out whether no food is stuck in your teeth cavity or anywhere. Do not chew pan or gum. It gives bad impression that your customer is sitting and you are eating the pan or the gum or anything. Boys should be clean shaven or with neatly trimmed uh, beard and mustache. या उनकी जो beard है and mustache है, it should be trimmed properly. They can do the clean shave. These two would be giving good impression. Girls to wear no or simple makeup. Professionally, either girls should not wear any makeup. If they are doing, it should be simple. Here are certain activity which you have to do. This activity is for you all. If you are unable to understand anything, you can ask me. Otherwise, it's a simple activity which you have to do. Then personal hygiene. Whenever you are doing any of the job role, at that time you have to maintain your personal hygiene. That means hygiene at your level, like neatness, cleanliness, and as per your job role, everything should be clean and neat. This should be done. It is a part of personal hygiene you have to do. Importance of personal hygiene. What happens when you do the personal hygiene? You will say it will make our immunity strong. So what is the need for doing the personal hygiene? So we can just see here a few points which would help you to follow the personal hygiene and what are the benefit of it. First of all, it helps us to stay healthy. Then it creates good image of ourselves that the person is keeping hygiene. Helps us to avoid feeling ashamed in public due to our bad breath. Body odor की मतलब publicly आपकी कोई insult नहीं होती, that you are keeping everything nice, tidy and with a good odor. There are certain steps for the personal hygiene. Care grooming means you are just brushing your teeth and you are keeping the things hygiene and washing your hand and avoiding that avoid, keep healthy. What is avoid? These are the three steps. Let us see what is there. First of all, hair free of dandruff, that means hair should be in a proper nice condition. Oil cream should be applied on the skin as per the need. Teeth should be brushed. Then change your toothbrush when it's worn out. जब खराब हो जाए तो टूथब्रश को हटा दीजिए. Keep your nails trim and cut your nails regularly. Nails का होगी, that means is under the category of care grooming. Then wash stay clean में क्या क्या आएगा, let us see. क्या क्या वॉश करना है ताकि हमारी चीज़ें साफ रहें. Hands we have to wash. Then we have to take bath daily. Hair should be washed at least once in every day, once in every second day. Wash your feet often. Your feet should also look nice and clean. Take bath in the morning and evening. Both time you have to take the bath. Now next is avoid. What things you have to avoid in order to be impressive and just give a positive impact. Avoid unhygienic food. जो unhygienic food है उसको आपको consume नहीं करना है. Suppose if you are coughing and sneezing, then use your handkerchief to avoid the spread of germs. If you have using handkerchief for coughing and sneezing purpose, wash it after use and keep your feet dry and change your socks every day. These are coming under the avoid category. Now there are the 7 steps for hand washing which you all have seen in today's scenario of this pandemic. So I think you all are familiar. This is the way. Here are the various steps which are mentioned through which we have to maintain the hygiene or wash our hand. Rub your palms, then rub the back side of both the hands, followed by